our channel Sparsh Oriswin. My name is Sparsh. So for the first time I am making a sabji, aloo methi sabji. It's a famous Punjabi sabji. Wish me luck guys. For making this sabji, we need some chopped methi, ginger, garlic and green chili paste, regular masalas and some boiled potatoes. So let's start. We'll first chop the methi. Chop it finely. I have soaked this methi in the salt water for 15 minutes. This step is important because the methi will taste bitter otherwise. Now it's chopped. You can see. Also squeeze the methi before chopping. Let's peel the potatoes. I have peeled the potatoes. Now let's chop them. Cut it in medium sized cubes. Our potatoes are mediumly cutted in cubes. Now it's time to make it. Almost took 3 tablespoons of oil. Now first on it in a medium flame. You can even take your parents' help for lighting the stove. Oil is heated. Now I will put half teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of osida. Hing. Keep safe distance from the stove. I will keep the gas very slow and put potatoes, otherwise the oil will spill on me. Mix it gently, but don't mix it too much, otherwise the potatoes will break. Put the flame back to medium. Take your mom's help whenever needed. As you can see, the potatoes are well coated with the oil. Turmeric, less than half spoon. And cumin jeera powder 1 spoon. Mix it well, but gently. Add the chopped garlic, ginger, chili. 1 teaspoon approx. For a taste. All the masalas are coated well. It's time to add the chopped methi. Now mix it well, but gently. Around 2 to 3 minutes, you can see our methi stick to the potatoes. Now you can turn off the gas. Serve it hot with roti, thepla or paratha.